I'm installing the firewall seal and the rear engine seal that basically ensure a good airtight seal between the engine tin and the engine compartment. And the reason being is so that you don't get heat from the exhaust and the underside of the engine pulled up on top of the engine and ran through the fan. I've tried experimenting with different tools to help press the kind of T profile shaped seal into the channel that runs around the perimeter in here of the engine bay. I've tried a couple picks. I've tried a roller here that you normally use to build window screens to press the locking bead in to hold the screen to the frame. And so far, I think the tool that works the best is just a larger flat-bladed screwdriver. And basically what you're doing is you're going to set the screwdriver on the top of the seal. First you put the T down in the channel on the bottom, then you set the screwdriver on the top of the seal and you press it in and down. Move along, press it in and down, move it along, press it in and down until it locks in the channel. Something that helps out a lot with this process is silicone spray. Seems to make a big difference. So this is actually what the process looks like when we get down to it. I'll show you what I was describing earlier. You take the bottom edge of the seal and tuck it in, and then this top lip is exposed. Take your screwdriver and press and tuck in. Progress is slow, but measurable. And just like in the machinist world, clearance is clearance, and in this world, progress on the seal is progress. So, however small, it's still measurable. So that's really what we're doing, about a quarter inch at a time. We're just getting that screwdriver in and pressing the top of that seal in to the channel. So anyway, I'm going to keep working at it and give you an update once things have moved along. Okay, after about, I don't know, half hour or so, I've got both the firewall tin and the rear engine seal tin in. I'm going to just kind of hold the camera here and look around a little bit. You can see it sitting in here in the perimeter of the engine compartment. Looks pretty good. They give you a bunch of extra if you order from West Coast Metric, so you have to trim at least the firewall tin and then a little bit on the rear engine tin also. So something to note is a common question I think that I had to do a little research on is that if you notice see the profile of the firewall seal, how the tip of the seal is pointed down, and then if I rotate it, see the tip now is pointed up. The correct installation method is to install this seal with the tip of the seal pointed up like it is, not pointed down. And the reason being is because if it's pointed down, it'll interfere with the throttle cable where it passes through the tin up front, right in this area here, and then also it's supposed to point up so that, let me get this oriented right again. It's supposed to be installed with the tip out here on this outer edge by my thumb pointing up so that it will tuck underneath the lip of the firewall tin that rests up here that seals the engine compartment up on this side. So anyway, I did mention earlier that I didn't use sorry about the shake, but that I didn't use this screen building roller, but I went back and tried it again and it works really, really good, especially if you use the wider end here. This narrower end, that's bigger wheel isn't as good, but this wider end works really, really good for rolling that in, especially in the tight corners where it's challenging. So anyway, just trying to make a tricky but fun job a little bit easier and a little more effective for you guys. Tune back in and I will keep up with you guys as we work on these cars some more and have a lot of fun, okay? Take it easy, have a good one.